Project Astra, redefining intelligent assistance in the real world. Over the past decade, artificial intelligence has rapidly evolved from simple pattern recognition systems to multifaceted technologies that can analyze, predict, and interact with the world around us. One of the most ambitious examples of this evolution is Project Astra, an experimental universal AI assistant developed by Google DeepMind. Astra is not just another digital assistant. It is a sophisticated multimodal system designed to understand and interact with the environment in ways that closely mimic human perception and reasoning. In doing so, Astra is pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve and paving the way for a new era of intelligent, context-aware devices, a leap beyond traditional digital assistants. Most digital assistants available today rely primarily on voice commands and text-based interactions. They can execute simple tasks such as setting reminders, playing music, or providing weather updates. However, these systems operate largely on a reactive basis. They wait for a command, often lacking any deeper understanding of context or the ability to proactively interpret the world around them. Project Astra represents a dramatic departure from these limitations. At its core, Astra is designed to combine data from multiple sources, visual, auditory, and textual, to create a comprehensive understanding of its environment. Whether running on an Android smartphone or through prototype smart glasses, Astra continuously captures video streams, listens to audio, and processes real-time inputs. This constant stream of multimodal data allows the assistant to build a dynamic timeline of events, maintain a short-term contextual memory, and even recall prior interactions to provide a more personalized experience. Imagine walking into your kitchen and realizing that you can't find your favorite mug. Instead of simply asking, "Where is my mug?" and receiving a generic response, you could ask Astra and receive an answer like, "I remember you left your mug next to the fruit bowl on the counter a few minutes ago." This ability to see and remember is what sets Astra apart, transforming it from a passive responder into an active participant in your daily life. The power of multimodality: seeing, hearing, and remembering. One of the groundbreaking innovations behind Project Astra is its capacity for multimodal processing. Traditional AI systems often process one type of input at a time. For example, voice assistants typically convert spoken language into text and then search for an appropriate response. In contrast, Astra operates in a mode where it can concurrently analyze visual inputs from a camera, process spoken language, and even interpret contextual cues from its surroundings. This holistic approach is made possible through cutting-edge neural architectures that integrate features from the Gemini series of models. These models excel at handling diverse data types and have been refined to think several steps ahead. By taking in video frames continuously, Astra creates a rolling cache of information. It then leverages sophisticated memory mechanisms to recall details when needed. For instance, remembering the location of your glasses or identifying a unique object based on prior observations. The result is an AI assistant that behaves more like a human helper. It sees the world in real time, holds onto relevant details for a set period, up to 10 minutes, as demonstrated, and uses that memory to enhance its responses. With this capability, Project Astra not only answers immediate queries, but also builds a context that can inform future interactions, making conversations smoother and more natural. Integrated intelligence, a seamless connection to Google's ecosystem. Another key strength of Project Astra lies in its seamless integration with Google's vast array of services. Google's ecosystem, encompassing search, maps, Lens, and more, provides a robust foundation upon which Astra can build its diverse capabilities. For example, if a user asks Astra about nearby restaurants, the system can combine visual data by analyzing the scene through the phone camera or smart glasses, geolocation data from maps, and contextual information from search. This creates a response that is not only informative, but also highly tailored to the user's immediate environment. Furthermore, this level of integration enables Project Astra to handle complex, multi-step tasks that traditional assistants struggle with. Consider a scenario where you are planning a trip. Astra could not only retrieve flight and hotel options from search, but also visually validate landmarks through Lens, or help navigate routes using maps. By using data in a coordinated and context-aware manner, Astra takes on the role of a proactive agent that can plan, adapt, and execute tasks on your behalf, all while keeping you in the loop. Real-world applications. From daily routine to augmented reality. The potential applications of Project Astra are extensive and could transform numerous aspects of our daily routines. Personal organization. Astra's ability to capture and recall visual data means you may soon never have to worry about misplaced items. Whether it's your glasses, keys, or wallet, Astra can track their last known locations based on visual input, saving you time and reducing everyday frustration. Augmented reality, AR, and smart wearables. One of the most exciting visions of Project Astra is its integration with AR-enabled devices such as smart glasses. Unlike smartphones, which require you to look at a screen, smart glasses overlay digital information directly onto your field of vision. Imagine getting real-time directions, contextual notifications, or even translation assistance as you navigate a foreign city, all without lifting a finger. Enhanced communication. Astra's multimodal abilities are also ideally suited to improving communication across language barriers. By understanding both the spoken word and the visual context, it can provide real-time translations or clarifications, making international travel and global business interactions more fluid. Educational tools. In classrooms and remote learning environments, Astra can serve as an innovative educational assistant. It could capture and analyze handwriting on a whiteboard, provide detailed explanations of complex concepts, and even customize learning experiences based on previous interactions with students. Professional assistance. In professional settings, Astra could streamline complex workflows. For example, during a technical meeting, Astra might capture visual presentations, synthesize key points, and produce summaries that are distributed to team members. Similarly, in creative fields, it could assist designers by offering real-time feedback on visual elements, or even help annotate images with contextual information. Overcoming challenges and embracing the future. Despite its transformative potential, Project Astra is not without its challenges. Central to its development is the need to handle massive amounts of data in real time while ensuring both speed and accuracy. Reducing latency is critical. Users expect instantaneous responses from an assistant that is meant to be always on. Privacy is another significant concern. Since Astra continuously processes visual and audio data from your environment, ensuring that this information is securely stored and processed is of paramount importance. Google DeepMind is actively refining the privacy protocols and data management strategies underlying Astra to address these challenges. Moreover, there is the ongoing challenge of expanding memory capabilities. While Astra's current ability to recall up to 10 minutes of context is impressive, long-term personalization may require even more sophisticated memory architectures. Balancing this need with resource constraints and privacy considerations will be a key focus for future iterations. Ethical considerations also loom large. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, questions around data ownership, consent, and the transparency of AI decision-making processes must be resolved. Ensuring that Astra operates in a way that respects user autonomy while delivering the benefits of advanced AI is a delicate balancing act that will require collaboration among researchers, developers, and policymakers. The broader impact. A new era of intelligent agents. Project Astra is not just a new product. It is a harbinger of the agentic era of artificial intelligence. In this new paradigm, digital assistants evolve from mere responders to proactive partners that take initiative and perform complex tasks with minimal human input. The incremental improvements demonstrated by Astra, from natural language processing to real-time multimodal integration, signal a step change in how AI can be deployed. The implications for this technology are vast. In the workplace, more advanced AI agents could significantly boost productivity by automating routine tasks and facilitating smoother communication. In healthcare, personalized assistants might help monitor patient conditions, remind individuals about medication schedules, or even interpret diagnostic images in real time. In education, AI tutors like Astra could provide adaptive learning experiences tailored specifically to individual students' needs. Looking ahead, as advancements in neural network architectures and data processing continue, systems like Astra may eventually form the backbone of a more general-purpose artificial intelligence, one that can seamlessly navigate between a variety of tasks and environments. Although true artificial general intelligence, AGI, remains a long-term goal, projects like Astra are bridging the gap by demonstrating how AI can integrate perception, memory, and action in real-world settings. Conclusion: elevating AI to new heights. Project Astra is a bold initiative that reflects the extraordinary progress being made in artificial intelligence. By leveraging multimodal processing, contextual memory, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem, Astra is transforming the concept of a digital assistant into that of an intelligent, proactive partner. As this technology evolves, it holds the promise of not only making everyday life more convenient, but also redefining our relationship with digital devices. While challenges such as latency, privacy, and ethical use remain, the potential of Project Astra to revolutionize personal organization, communication, and augmented reality is undeniable. Google DeepMind's work with Astra is taking AI technology to another level, demonstrating that when machines can see, hear, and remember as humans do, the possibilities for innovation and enhanced human experience become virtually limitless. In a world where the seamless interaction between the digital and physical realms is becoming the new norm, Project Astra is a shining example of how AI can evolve beyond simple commands and answers to become an integral, intuitive, and indispensable part of our lives.